Hey everybody, I'm here with my wife's new 40 volt Whisper series. I think it's got 760 hurricane powers on it. Brushless. This is my wife's Christmas present. She said she wanted a backpack one, but when I went to the store they didn't have it. But this has got supposedly got the same motor, the same power, got the turbo button, got the speed lock on it. So today we're gonna test this thing out and see if it's any good. I think it's gonna be okay. We're gonna blow some leaves away from my daughter's RV. So we're going to do some welding on this frame here today, and I got to get all these leaves out of here. So I don't catch this place on fire. So we're going to test out my wife's new vac. First I'm going to rake some of the leaves away from the edge of the trailer and then blow everything away. All right, after about the first 10-15 minutes, the first battery went dead, but my wife used it already. So I'm gonna go get the other battery and put it on, and we'll check it out. I want to say that this Ryobi 40 volt leaf blower works pretty good. We got about 35 to 40 minutes out of what I got, and we drained one battery down and still got 2 lights on the second battery. That's not bad. You know, if I was to run an electric battery operated drill that long, it would run the battery dry too. You know, it's not a corded one, it's not gas powered. And you know something, running a gas powered one, that's about as much as you get in a tank full of gas. I got a Ryobi electric chainsaw that has the regular 20 volt, and when we had trees fall down, the one battery would last on the chainsaw as much as the other guys that were using the gas powered saws. So for me, that's a great comparison. It's not that it'll last a couple hours, you know, that it will last at least as much as a tank of gas. And it has great power. Those leaves were really wet. It rained all day yesterday and it blew out the leaves, and now I can do some welding on the front end of this camper for my daughter so she can have a heat pump. Ryobi 40 volt. Maybe you ought to get one.